tennis shoes, you wanna suck my tits.
Yo, that nigga smell like man. Now you go like this, you like, Larry, you wanna suck my tits.
No, that nigga said, you can't respect something yourself. Something he said. Oh no, what the fuck the nigga says? Yo, son. Let me tell you something about New York City, man. This is home. You know what I'm saying, man? I don't know what the fuck niggas is doing, son, but this is home, son. Fuck the train station, my nigga. What the fuck these niggas doing, son?
Yo, this
I got
nigga.
first kicks, man. Yo, son, took my first kicks, my nigga. 180, my nigga. Fuck out of here. Niggas bum ass niggas, man. Word of mother, son. Fuck out of here. Word of mother, slaves. Word of mother. Word of YouTube, son. That niggas is bum ass niggas, son. Fuck out of here. You come to New York City, you come straight to Brooklyn, nigga. Fuck out of here, son. Come straight to Brooklyn, nigga. J.O.'s 180, nigga.